Trade Mastermind's had an impact on my business quite significantly. Sort of got me off the tools and grow the business a lot more. In my head I knew how I'd get there, but I didn't. I've gone past the milestone that I was sort of stuck at. It's been really great for me. The course has got so much merit with Paul delivering it since he's been on the course, because you just feel like when he's teaching you, you go, oh, he's been here and he's now here. How do I get to that level? He knows. And then he even gives you the time scale and you think, oh, I can never do that time scale, but he has, so we definitely can. I think that with the guys in the group, it's made the whole community spirit so great. Any problems that you've got, they've had them or been there, or they're going through them. Or even better, if they're having them now and it was you last month, you can sort of chat on and say, oh, we did this last month and like, this is what we did. I feel like you're just all together working at the same speed. I've got the roadmap and I know exactly what I need to do, when I need to do it. So there's not like, oh, should I try this? Can I try this? I know what's gonna work. And I feel like I've got way more time and I'm way less stressed. And from the knowledge I'm learning from this course, why does it have to stop here? Let's get this business to the max and then let's open another business with the principles I'm learning from this course, and then another one, and where is the end? I don't think there is one. I would recommend Trade Mastermind because I feel like there's not another course like this. I feel like I was falling forward and I was asking loads of people around us, but no one was really giving us the answers I needed. Google was helpless, really. Where here you're with like-minded people and you're learning skills where no one else can teach them.